Okay, my friends, so after a little bit of messing around, we've got the old compressor out, and there is the beastie there. I say once you got this bumper off, which came out relatively easy, it's pretty easy to get to the serpentine belt. Now, I did purchase for $19, and you can see the whole kit there, which is a great little kit. One of these bars which made it very easy just to get onto that pulley, slacken it off and remove the belt. And this is how it works basically. There's the idler pulley there, and let's just move this into my hand a bit better. So the idler pulley is there, and if you can see, we get the get it on. There it is. So it's on there like that. See it there, can't you? And when we just moved this, it moves the tensioner, and we were able to free the belt. Okay, the belt's all off now. That's all it was. So we freed the little tensioner, removed it. You see? So we just moved it. Do you see that? Can you see it moving? I think you can. Now you might have got to get in with a screwdriver or a socket, possibly, but I found this useful. And then once you slack that off, the belt comes off all the pulleys. Now of course we're going to change this idler tension as well, and it's actually this is where you need this, because it's a left-hand thread, so we've got to get into here and take that off. These are all the